I'm to make lunch for my daycare kids, and by make lunch, I actually mean wrap lunch. I thought this would be fun for today. I got everyone a Lunchable, so of course I'm gonna wrap these. I only have a couple daycare kids here right now that are watching a movie. It's early in the morning. I'm just wrapping stuff and putting it in the fridge. Alright, 9 more. Okay, I don't want to say this out loud because kids are over there, but this is the next part of lunch I'm going to wrap. These with this paper. They have to have a little toy. I got this, but there's only 9 of them, and this was like literally the last one in stock. But I also just like had a couple random toys in like my gift bin that I have, so I'm gonna open these also. Hopefully the one boy that gets this won't be like the other ones, won't be bummed out. Let's see what's in this Adorables thing I just happen to have. Oh, maybe it's gonna come with more than one. And they're really tiny. Well, I don't know. This doesn't really feel comparable to one of the bigger ones. Maybe I can figure something else out for my little 2 kids. I'll set these aside and I'll give these to my 7 bigger kids. Hi, Harley. I was telling Harley that Coco wants to play with you. Really? This one came with like a puff of smoke. Peter Pan. What's her name? I forget. The Evil Queen. This is like Puff the Magic Dragon. Sleeping Beauty. Snow White. Ursula. Okay, I'm gonna wrap these now. I still have some scraps of paper from yesterday's craft. I'm gonna use these. This just came out of my toy bin with random McDonald's toys I have. I'm gonna wrap these up for my littlest 2. And these will just be random. Like, I know that these bigger 2 are for my little kids, but all the characters, the kids are just, they're gonna be random. They get whatever they happen to get. I actually have a grocery delivery order that's coming any minute with my last thing. But I want to get this stuff in the fridge, so I'm just packing it here till lunchtime. Alright, now I gotta hide the evidence. I just got unpacking that and the last thing just got here. I found these snack packs. Oh, that's a lot of carrots. That's a lot of carrots. Maybe they can like put their name on it and bring it home if they don't finish all their carrots. That's a lot. I'm gonna split the last one for my littlest 2. Lunch is ready. Okay. That bag in half, and now I'm putting it in a Ziploc. Gonna wrap this up. Whoa! Alright, going in the fridge till lunchtime. All right, come back for the next part to see their reactions.